Hi everyone, welcome to my cooking show. Today we're going to be making filet mignon. Right, that's what...
We're making chicken rice.
Oh, I mean, I guess we can make that too. So today we're going to be making chicken and rice. This is it. This is exactly what we're going to be making. First we need the rice. As you see here, I got a bag of rice that we're going to put with the chicken. Make sure to open it with safety. If you don't have safety, you can hurt yourself really badly. Now, look at all that rice. Okay, now that we have the rice, we need to add some cheese, because what's chicken and rice without cheese? Chicken and cheese and rice. The thing about the cheese is that you have to have it in blocks, because if you don't, God damn. There we go. Oh, there you go. Thing about the cheese, gotta make sure it's in smaller pieces, because I can't just have a block of cheese in the rice. Right. Teriyaki sauce. It's like a poor man's soy sauce. Or a rich man's soy sauce, I don't know. Make sure not to get too much in there, because if you get too much, it could be too salty, you know, it could go everywhere. Alright. Next up, soy sauce. Broccoli. Alright. I would say that's a fair amount. I mean, I got a little around the edges, but that's okay, because what's a good recipe, a good meal without... Okay, next up is the broccoli. First we gotta cut... Oh. First we gotta cut off that part.
You good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
What's wrong?
Dude, you know broccoli scares me. So, first we want to cut off the stem, because, you know, who likes their broccoli in one piece? You know, the quicker you cut it, the easier it makes it. Okay, now we got all the broccoli we need, so you can just get rid of any excess. Oh wait, no, sorry, I forgot the most important part. Gotta make sure to take this off, right? Because who wants that part of broccoli, right? Okay, next we're gonna need more teriyaki, because you can never go wrong with too much teriyaki, right? Okay, that's it. Time to let this cook for a little bit. Let me just warm this up. Alright, next is the sauce. We had teriyaki and you thought that might be it, but nope, that's not it. You can't have chicken and rice without sauce. First up, mayo, because who likes liquid egg in my stuff? I know I don't. Okay, that's when you know you're out of mayo, is whenever the can is half bent and then it makes little farting noises. Yeah, this one's really important to both the dish and also to me. So next we got clam juice. It was harvested from the dead carcasses of the clams that took over my dad's ship when he was a pirate. Anyways, you want to take the clam juice, and it says, dang it, where does it say it? Oh, Anyways, you want to take your clam juice, and it says shake well before stirring. So make sure you shake it, or else it just won't taste good. Alright, now that the clam's carcasses are rotting in this pot, we take the second most important ingredient, ketchup. I don't really know what it is about ketchup, but it's just the texture that like... Okay. Alright, now the most important ingredient for our secret sauce. The secret sauce. Okay, I'd say that's about enough. Alright, time to stir. I mean, you don't really have to stir it. This is just kind of like one of those things you can do if you want. It depends if you want like a more like clunky broth filled with the bodies of dead clams, or if you just want like an actual sauce, you know. This looks really good. And it smells amazing. Alright, I'd say... Would you say that's good?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Hold up. You gotta get a little taste test in there too. Let me just get a chunk of clam real quick. Yeah, tastes good to me. Alright, sauce is good to go. Meal's almost done, now it's just time to assemble everything. But wait, I'm forgetting about the chicken. The chicken. I'm not forgetting about the chicken. In order to make the chicken, you get a chicken. Alright, we got the chicken. Here, let me just... Gotta make sure you see that, the bands, rubber band connecting the chicken? Keep that in your dish. Adds nutritional value. Alright, you gotta rearrange it a little bit because you can't make chicken and rice and not have it look good. Let's... Okay, now, last thing, the sauce. Oh! Wow. Doesn't that look delicious? Okay, that's enough. My father would be proud. Alright. Final step. A meal's not a meal without the microwave. Let's just... You don't have to prepare it all at once, like put it in the microwave all at once. You can save a little bit for later, so I'm just gonna... Ooh, there we go. I'm just gonna get a little bit of this, make sure to get some cheese. Oh no. Hold on, I lost my broccoli. Give me... Okay. Alright, now let's add a little more rice. It's time for the microwave. Final step, you gotta cook it. Okay, it's done. Now let's see what we got. Ooh. Oh man, that's hot. Oh, this turned out pretty good. Look at that. This is it. That was how to make chicken and rice with me. Thanks for watching my cooking show.